Architecture is kind of like a process of problem solving. It's like a multitude of systems. Sometimes you get a blank canvas, sometimes you don't, but then you have to kind of figure out what are the parameters as you're attacking the problem. My name is Amanda Gunawan. I'm from Singapore, but I live in Los Angeles, and I'm an architect here. At OWIU Design, we believe in progressive design. We think that spaces should not just be built to last, but they should be built to evolve with the next inhabitant. I've been to Japan a lot as a kid with my family, but I think it was this one trip in 2016 where I was in a position to really not just see, but like actually look. I was just so in awe of the level of detail that they put into their work, and they never ever focused on anything but the integrity of the work itself. I wanted to carry that forward in everything that I did. It was so intentional, it was so thoughtful that I felt like that's how it should be. That success, money, anything else should just be a byproduct. When it comes to construction, it's quite difficult to just stay rooted in technology. But I can't deny the existence of technology in my life. It's given me the luxury to travel and be able to communicate with my team and still manage projects from there. Be able to basically mark everything down and work as if I never left. At the same time, it's also our mode of communication on a day-to-day basis. Even the way that we communicate with our construction team, sometimes it's through drawing, and sometimes it's through a 3D model. And I think it really helps them not make mistakes in the work, because these 3D models, they're super accurate. Just in life in general, I feel like nature provides this order that allows for inspiration in creating these models and these systems in which we operate. For me, it's super important to design with purpose. That's my driving force, I think. It honestly feels like such a feat to see your project from something that was a sketch or a vision and then have it come to real life, and that's almost like a very addictive process. I have to take a step back sometimes. I've cultivated a habit of exercising and running. When I'm running, it forces me to just disengage from the world, and this is about you. At the same time, it really kind of takes me out of work. By slowing down and having that time for myself, it taught me a lot about life. It taught me how to better run my company. It's made me a better person, and it's taught me a lot about myself.